Check out our 82 to 2002 Camaro Firebird Rear Sway Bar to frame brackets. Do you have brackets that are rusted out and look like this? We have a solution for you. These mounting brackets feature a more compact design with thicker steel construction and a matte black powder coat finish. This product includes a pair of brackets along with the install hardware. This one is a pretty easy install. First, you want to remove the old bracket. You first want to remove the nuts so you can pull out the end link. Like so. Once you have the end link out, you want to remove the bolts from your existing bracket.
Out with the old.
Ta-da!
With the new product.
Ooh, fancy. That looks nice. Then you want to line up your new bracket with your existing holes and install your new bolts that come with the hardware kit. Once you get your bolts all tightened up, you want to slide your end link back in and reattach your nut.
And it all goes back in like it did when they took it off.
And there we go. Your brand new rear sway bar to frame bracket. And then you'll just do the same to the other side. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Be sure to leave any questions or comments you have below. And also, if there's any suggestions on future videos that you'd like to see, drop that below as well. Hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.